what's really happening is this. If you believe people can multitask or do significantly powerful parallel processing, you believe that that exists, right? What's happening is if you could find one tool that would allow you to have that many channels at the same time, that would occur, right? Back to my point is, I could be on Twitter right now tweeting about the fact we're having a conversation, but I'm on one machine and I'll be using this on the other ones. There isn't a device that allows me to do all this at the same time. And that's the challenge. And so that's why we find ourselves in these different kind of channels. Now, is there a do-it-yourself kind of way to aggregate a lot of these channels and streams that may occur? Probably. That may happen over time. Unfortunately for me, at this moment, that is still email, right? I get a tweet that's sent as a direct message. I still look at the email. I get a voicemail on Google Voice and I realize I have a voicemail. It's still showing up on email. The email has become my task list. So it becomes, what am I trying to accomplish here? Well, if I'm trying to aggregate all my communications, at this point, sadly, email is where my aggregation point is. It should be on an activity stream, but the problem is I can't find anything in the activity stream. I think we need more cognitive capabilities to filter, to do some self-learning. Let's even take the basic thing, just studying the behavior of why I delete an email, how quickly I delete an email and why, where I interact and who I interact with more in a network. If just being able to learn that, like which of my Skype contacts are more active, which of my email contacts are more active? Do they correlate? Are these the same people? Even why? So I think the cognitive capabilities, the cognitive computing that's occurring is going to play a big role in terms of helping us filter and create context. Once we have that, then we can make suggestions, right? We can say, here's your next best action, right? I just got a direct message from you. And it means more than likely, I probably will want to make a phone call back to you. Will I do it on Skype? Probably if I'm not in the country. If I'm local, I will probably just pick up the phone and call you, right? So then there's a cost factor that I'm worried about or thinking about, or a convenience factor. I might not be close to a phone, but I can get onto Skype. And so this is the kind of cognitive algorithms that we're hoping with these pattern-based self-learning algorithms should help